Hundreds took to the streets near Arizona's state capitol for the National Women's March. This year, the rally is called Bigger Than Roe.
Hey, hey, ho, ho, abortion bans have got to go.
Grandmothers fought this fight years ago, and we shouldn't be having to fight it again.
I like women. I think that women deserve equal rights, and I'm here to support them.
Several speakers, including attorney and reproductive rights activist Gloria Allred, took to the podium to implore voters to elect pro-choice leaders.
I'm mad as hell, and I'm not going to take it anymore.
She brought along the daughter of Jane Roe from the landmark Supreme Court case Roe v. Wade, which gave women a constitutional right to choose 51 years ago. But in 2022, it was overturned, leaving abortion access up to the states.
Elect a pro-choice president because our lives depend on it.
Right now in Arizona, abortions are legal up to 15 weeks of pregnancy. But there is a pre-statehood near-total abortion ban from 1864 that has not been repealed. It's now up to the Arizona Supreme Court to decide which law to enforce. As we await the High Court's ruling, abortion rights activists are collecting signatures to put a measure on the ballot this November. Their goal is to create a state constitutional amendment that would protect abortion access.
So right now is a critical time to protect access to an essential piece of women's health care.
I don't think that the government has any right to decide what I do with my body.
It's a divisive issue. A counter-protest fired up Allred and her supporters.
Our black brothers and sisters, and you actually...
But those here for the march say this fight is all about human rights, justice for women, and access to health care.
This is what democracy looks like.
Yeah, you said it there. Obviously, this is a divisive issue. So how many signatures does this initiative need to gather to qualify for the ballot? And then what are other people saying? I know there's a group out there that is pushing back on this particular measure.
Yeah, absolutely. So this is called the Arizona Abortion Access Act. They need a lot of signatures for this. They need 380,000 signatures by July in order for this to be up to Arizona voters. And so far, they have 250,000. And this is all about making sure what they consider a fundamental right to abortion is part of the state constitution. But not everyone's on board. There was that counter protest, of course, out at the march as well. There's an initiative called It Goes Too Far. They believe the language in this measure is too vague and could put women's safety at risk by allowing abortions at any time in pregnancy. There's a lot more to this, and we have more website, azfamily.com.
All right. Thank you, Michaela. Certainly a story we will be following.